DJI has launched the $449 DJI Mini 2 ultra lightweight drone with upgraded camera for 4K at 30 frames per second recording, OcuSync 2.0 with a 10-kilometer video transmission range, and claims of 31 minutes of actual flight time, quoting /gear. The DJI Mini 2 builds upon the foundation laid by the Mavic Mini model, bringing with it enhancements that offer what DJI President Roger Lau says is larger drone performance in an approachable small design. The drone is targeted at beginners, among others, who don't feel comfortable starting with a large drone. The drone's enhancements over the Mavic Mini include better imaging features, flight performance, and much better connectivity for more reliable transmissions over longer distances. In keeping with the beginner aspect of the drone, DJI has packed multiple pre-programmed modes into the Mini 2 for different shooting situations. Consumers can expect a maximum transmission range of around 6.2 miles, which is a huge 150% improvement over the Mavic Mini. As well, the motor's upgrade means the Mini 2 offers 31 minutes of flight time, as well as faster speeds and the ability to handle winds up to 24 miles per hour. As expected, users will be able to view a live feed from the drone's camera on their smartphone. DJI has packed a number of imaging capabilities into this model, including pre-programmed modes and movements called quick shots. Those include things like helix, rocket, circle, droney, and boomerang, end quote.